Good morning once again, people. Good morning. Today is currently Thursday and it is about 8:44 in my time, but in the New York time, I'm 2 hours behind. So it's about 10:44. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at in the chat. And so this is that E-mini standard and S&P 500, right? Features. So this is the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it looks like we want to sell. Daily time frame just looks anywhere ish. It looks like it's still bullish. We just have this big momentum, bullish momentum candle, but it looks like there's a resistance level here that is pushing price back to the downside. 4 hour, we have seen this push to the upside is still acting on this resistance level here, and we scale down to the 1 hour time frame. It's just looking like a range. As you can see, guys, it's looking like we are ranging here. And the 15-minute time frame, the same thing. It looks like we are ranging also. Let me delete that one here. And the 5-minute time frame. So I will not be taking any trade for now. I'm just passing my eye, and I want the market to break above these highs or above these lows. If not, I guess we are going to sit on our hands today and will not take a trade. Okay, let's go to Forex. This was that Euro USD trade. I remember I wanted to take it at this sell limit here, but then I was like, you know what, let me just take it back here, and the market did not kick me in. And then when the market was going up, I saw the market somewhere here, I decided to re-enter with that same sell limit. And for some reason I woke up in the night, right, or in the morning, and the market was here. That is exactly where I closed my trade. This has happened to me so many times. I'll wake up and see the market at a low and I was in profit, and I would just be like, you know what, let me just allow the market to play out. As you can see, it wasn't fully take profit, right? I just closed there because it was at that low. I always think, okay, there's a reason why I woke up at this time. Sometimes you close it and the market will continue back down, but you can see market, I went to bed, market went up and actually triggered this one, which I did not enter, right? The ones that I decided that no, I will not take this one. But as you can see, the correct idea is where our stop loss is. When you put your stop loss in the right position, somewhere here, right above previous highs, you can now capitalize on every move, right? This one was good, but this one was a better entry. Although maybe not all the time market will kick me in, but look, if I had taken this trade, that's more profit. Imagine I close here, this would have been 1 to 2. This is the 5-minute time frame. I'm just thinking if we broke and closed above these highs, I will be interested in taking buys. And this is the E-mini 500. I don't know why, for some reason I've been more aggressive. I've been more of a very aggressive trader. I don't really mind taking a buy stop. We're going to create an order. It's going to be one contract. Our TP is going to be at that 1-to-1. Our stop loss is going to be, wow, one contract is like 200 and something. It's going to be a buy stop at that level. Look at where my stop loss is. I can literally look at my TP. Is going to be 900 and something. If it comes all the way down, we are going to move it. I'm already in the trade, guys. I am in this trade right now. Let's see if price is going to hit this. I'm in this trade right now. I just entered with I would like my stop loss to be all the way down here, because according to structure, right? But then I'm already risking about 280 something for one contract if the market comes back down here. I don't know how this I don't know how to measure really. Okay, am I gonna be using this stop loss here or this stop loss here or this stop loss here? I don't even understand how this market is. But sometimes I just take this my stop loss and just drag it down here where this other sell stop is. Let's see if we are going to break. I think we have already broken above our 50 moving average. Now we are just going. We have closed with a bullish. That is a bullish candle, but okay, we haven't even closed. We're on the 5-minute time frame now. Let's see if we are going to close above that high. If we close above that high, that's the concept that I'm using. I'm predicting that the market is going to continue up. But I just entered right at the high because the high also, right, is a very key resistance as we have seen. Resistance level here. So if we close above it, it will most likely act as support. So that's a good place to enter. And look, we are already in profit. This is the 1-minute time frame. Market moves really fast on the 1-minute time frame. Guys, we are already at about $150. We are floating around $150. Guys, are you making money or is it a long story? I think everybody should learn how to trade. This is possible, guys. Look, I was just looking at my account here. I just lost $190 something. Look at the type of money that I'm losing. That means it's good to trade with capital. It's good to have capital. The more capital you have, the better. Because think about it, if this was $100,000 account, instead of risking $200 per trade, I'll be risking like $1,000. That means, let's say if I was risking like $1,000, this my profit here, I'll be seeing something like 2K, or seeing something like 1K. It is good, man. Trading is good. You can really make serious money with trading if you learn the skills. I just have to be patient here because look, we have created new highs. This is our trading range. Hopefully, we don't know when the market is going to start reversing, but I want to close first before the market start reversing, right? That's possible because look at where my stop loss is already. Very tight, and the market can come all the way back here before going back up like this, because this is our trading range from this low to the new highs. So I want to be very careful. I don't want to be holding because my stop loss is here. If my stop loss was down here like this, I will not mind holding because I know most likely it can bounce around this level where now my stop loss is, and I don't want that. So right now I can even go and put my stop loss at break even, just right below this candle, right like that. I may not, because this candle can come all the way back down. Let me just drag it back here. I don't want to disturb my trade. That's a mistake. I'll just cancel it. Yes. Okay, let me just leave it like that. Guys, I'm going to see you guys in the next clip. How this market plays out. I'm going to update you guys soon. Quick trade update. We have just been kicked into this trade. Euro CHF for a buy. We have just been kicked into this Euro CHF for a sell. Welcome guys back to the video. I am done with training. I went to training today. So today our potential trades for today, as you see, we missed them all, and that futures trade. It was looking, man, I would have just, it's because of that lot size, that contract. And then this one, this Euro USD, I should have just, I had already put my stop loss, my take profit, and then it perfectly hit, and then for some reason I closed it manually early, which I would have won the trade and I would have $100 now. So I'm disappointed at myself, because like I said, anytime that I want to panic and close the trade, I should look at the market structure, what is happening. And I was thinking with emotions, because I've already set my stop loss where the trend is going to change. And then it wasn't even close to my stop loss. I'm closing early. I'm closing where, oh my goodness, guys. I'll show you in this. Look at these guys over here, and I'm still disappointed. This is Euro CHF. This is the 15-minute time frame. You can see price moved, went up, come back down and create a low, lower high, lower low, and then I just put a sell limit here, and I was triggered in, and for some reason I manually closed that trade. As you can see, this was today's profit. Let's see what is happening today. What is our metrics? Where's our metrics? I think these are metrics, account metrics. So this is my metrics. As you can see, I would have won $100 today, but that did not happen. That ended up being about $34 today in profit, I believe. Is that it? Yep, this today I made on the 21st. That means I won that trade yesterday. That means I was trading the London session. Okay, but that trade that I closed was like little, and I can't believe I took 3 trades today. So this is what the account metrics is looking. I'm risking about $100 now to make about $100 also. I'm disappointed a little bit, because I have to, when I enter a trade, I have to just leave it to the market, you know. I have to just leave it to the market. Trade would not just move all the way like this and end up like that. No, trade always, because this is where I close, guys. The market did not kick me out. I closed somewhere here, and the market came back, continued back down, because market structure has not broken. I just have to be calm, you know. In short, maybe I would have even entered another trade here, because I know that what this is a level of resistance that now price is going to come back for these lows.